Hey students, welcome back to my channel. So in this session today I am going to conduct the examples, the illustrations of expansion based on sin theta, यानी कि sin n theta and cos n theta. So previously we did the expansion, the theory of expansion for the sin n theta and for the cos n theta. Start with the part 1 only, and I'm going to start the illustrations of the expansion. So here I have written the first question of the expansion, that expand the cos 6 theta and sin 6 theta in powers of cos theta and sin theta. So as we have discussed in the theory, in this examples, in this method you are going to convert sin n theta and cos n theta into the form of sin theta and cos theta, and for that we have proved three formulas for the sin, cos as well as tan n theta. So these all the concepts we will use here. So here you can see that first it's given the expansion that you have to find cos 6 theta. So that will be based on the theory of cos n theta as well as sin n theta, and you can see the formulas for the cos n theta, and that we have studied in the theory, that for the cos n theta it will be all even numbers, and for the sin theta we can say that each odd numbers will be applied. So applying for the cos n theta यानी कि cos 6 theta. So first of all it will be cos n theta, and n यानी कि here it's given a 6, so that will be cos 6 theta minus next for even numbers यानी कि फिर आएगा second पे, so that will be 6, वहाँ पे था 6 nc2 but here it will be 6 c2, so cos 6 minus 2 theta and sin square theta. Now one by one, for the cos theta it will be decrease, and for the sin it will be increase. So 6c4 पहले nc0, then after nc2, then after nc4. Now same for the cos 6 theta यानी कि cos 6 फिर decrease यानी कि n minus 2 यानी कि 6 minus 2, then after n minus 4 यानी कि 6 minus 4, and then after n minus 6 यानी कि 6 minus 6, that will be 1. So here I didn't write for the cos because this one is being 1. Now for the sin, one term will be increased. So here you can see that sin square, then after sin 4, then after sin 6, then after sin 8, if it will be. Okay, now you have to just simplify the term, and I think you know the values of NC0, NC1, NC2, etc. And for that, to solve this example, this is necessary to understand what is NC1 and NC2, and this one you have studied in 11th standard. So first term I am keeping as it is, cos 6 theta minus 66 C2 यानी कि 6 into 5 upon 2 factorial, and 2 factorial यानी कि 2 into the 1. Then here cos raised to 6 minus 2 यानी कि 4, so this one will be as it is. Now 6c4 यानी कि 6 को डिक्रीज करना है till the 4 numbers यानी कि 6 into 5 into 4 into 3, and denominator that will be 4 factorial. 4 factorial किसका होगा? That will be of the term this one. This one will be for 4 factorial. So 4 into 3 into 2 into the 1, and here 6c1, 6c6, that will be a 1. So this part is very much important, guys. If you will not know, if you will not understand this one, then these examples you can't resolve. Okay, now you have to just give the simplification, and that will be your final answer, and this one will be its final answer. Okay, and same method you will apply in the sin 6 theta. So here I have written, and first of all you know the formulas, you must have the formula for the sin and theta. So as we did that, for the sine all the odd numbers will become right. So here I have applied 61, then after 63, then after it will be 65 plus up to the so on. But here you can see that 67 you can't take, okay, so that the last number will be 65 only. Now for the cos that will be decrease, and for the sine function will be it will be increase. So here it will be maximum yani ki n minus 1. So cos 5 theta, then here 3 theta, then here theta, this one, right? And for the sine one step will be increase, so sine theta, then after sine 3 theta, and then after sine 5 theta. Same you have to solve 63 or 65 etc 61 as per the factorial form, then you will get this one as a final answer. So this for method is very much easiest guys, you can easily do by remembering its formula. Okay, now here it's given sine 7 theta in powers of sine theta. In this question this part is very much important. Its meaning is that by using the formula, whatever you are opening, whatever you are expanding the brackets, this one you need in terms of only sin theta. So यहाँ पे आपको जो भी terms मिल रहा है, suppose if I talk about sin 6 theta, okay. So here in place of cos theta, you need here you have to convert into the sin theta form. Okay, so sin 7 theta का हमें जो भी आंसर मिल रहा है that you have to convert into the sin form. It means we can say like in the first example for the sin 6 theta, as we did for the sin 6 theta, the answer of this one यानी कि this answers, this one we will convert into the sin theta form. Okay, or else rest of the procedure will be totally same. Okay, now next one is given expand tan 7 theta in powers of tan theta. Okay, here it's given for tan, and for the tan theta of course we having a formula of tan and theta. So directly I am applying its formula like NC1, NC3, NC5, NC7, and in place of n we will put 7. So 7C1, here it will be 7 guys, then 7C3, 7C5, 7C7, that will be your maximum yani ki that will be your final. And then after in the denominator all the even numbers will be come. So NC0 yani ki 7C0, that will be actual being 1. So directly I have written here 1. Then after 7C2, 7C4, 7C6 up to the so on. Now next putting this all the values yani ki you have to just simplify that factorization form, and you will get this as a final answer, and this one will be your final answer. No need to give more simplification. Okay, so this one will be only your final answer. So hope you all understood guys, and this method is very much easiest. Again I am repeating, this method is very much important. And now below you can see that there are given 3 examples regarding this method only, that 4, 5th and 6th. In 4th example here it's given expand sin 5 theta upon theta, and that is in powers of cos theta only, यानी कि इसका simplification करके after simplifying this term, now how you will simplify this term. So for this, to simplify this, first you have to find sin 5 theta. Okay, and this one you will divided it with by sin theta. Okay, now After this, whatever answer you are getting, in that answer you will consider all the sine function into the cos only, then you will get final answer. As well as I have given two more examples, fifth and sixth, and you have to do with the same procedure only. And these all examples you have to submit me as an assignment. Okay, so hope you would like this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. And in our next session we will start a new method after this one. Thank you guys.